Hey guys, welcome to another box opening, although this time it's not for trading cards but for old Marvel Comics superheroes magnets from 1996. These were released by Chris Martin Productions, which I've never heard before from. There's supposedly 50 different magnets you can find. I don't know how many magnets are there per pack or what the magnets look like. I assume they will be shaped in the images of the characters or whatever they are portraying. I think there's 24 packs in this box, so we have these very thick packages. So let's just take a look. Oh no, they're trading card shaped as it seems. Oh, and they look pretty cool. There's 50 different ones, and as you can see on the bottom left corner they're also numbered. So here we have the Thing. This is Thor, Venom. Wow, and these look pretty nice. I was expecting something else when I bought them. Adam Warlock and Wolverine. So it seems as if they always have a comic book cover in the background. And when I feel like I've already completed the set, I will stop opening packs. So again, the Thing and Thor and Venom. Roughly the same package as the one before. That's a bit annoying. And the last card, we also have a checklist. I was expecting something completely different from this. I thought they would be cut out in the shapes of the characters they portrayed. So here we have Apocalypse, Archangel, Beast, Beta Ray Bill. Also they're a bit sticky, but it doesn't seem to affect the images. And Bishop. And again the Thing. Let's see, the same pack as before. Thor, seems like it. Venom. Oh no, there's Deadpool. Oh, pretty nice, from the first miniseries. Joe Madureira artwork. And Wolverine again. So afterwards I will also sort them. Captain America, Cyclops, Daredevil, Deadpool again. And since they are trading card shaped, I will put them in the binder. Deathlock, although they seem to be a bit smaller than regular trading cards. And Captain America, Cyclops, Daredevil again, Deadpool again, Deathlock again. Seems I'm having a little bit of trouble with the focus. What's that? Captain America, Cyclops, Daredevil, Deadpool, Deathlock. Lots of duplicates. Obviously there won't be any chase magnets or stuff like that. Doctor Doom. Nice. Dr. Octopus. Wow. Now come on. Doctor Strange. Galactus. Nice, from the Galactus miniseries. Very cool. Gambit. So here's what I got out of this Marvel Magnets box. Sadly, I wasn't even closely able to complete the set. I only pulled 19 different magnets from the 24 packs, and this is due to the fact that they are always packaged in the same order. So I pulled all of these magnets at least 4 or 5 times, which is pretty annoying. I've got a bunch of duplicates now. But overall, the design of the magnets is pretty cool. I like that they put a comic in the background with faded corners and a nice sharp image of the character in the front. And also the gold lettering looks pretty nice. But it's tough to complete with a box. I guess you could get lucky, but I assume to complete the set you at least need 2 or 3 boxes, because I guess that the others will also be packaged as stupidly as this one. And also the numbering on the checklist isn't quite right. There are some mistakes made in the numbering, which is also a bit annoying. And yeah, that's it for this box. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will have more box openings on my channel if you're interested, and I will do more in the future. So thanks for watching, and next time. Bye bye.